I'm gonna steal this one. What's that?
That's garlic mayo. That's a hot chili. That's a barbecue, and that's Frank's.
Hot chili it is.
Okay, that's really good. And this is even better.
I made a mistake. I should have tried them before the sauce.
I did, so I get to eat
Silly
sauce
me.
now.
Ain't no sweat, you know. This is the garlic.
Here's an important thing to check when it comes to your eggs. Like, are they safe to use? You see the way this egg isn't floating? That means it's okay. Let's test egg number 2. That's floating because there's a lot of bad gases inside your egg. This egg must go in the bin. Here's hopefully a fresher egg. Voila, fresh egg. Once it gets like that, all those egg whites have been broken up and we can start using it.
It's at this point that sound recording died. What I wanted to say here was, do you see the way I'm after cutting the tip off that chicken breast? It's a little bit thin. Because it's a bit thin and it's in the oven for 20 minutes, it's gonna dry out a little bit. So there's no way around that, unfortunately. But what I can say is, once you've chopped your stuff up into chunks, 1 inch, 1.5 inch, drop it into that eggy mixture, the egg white, okay, that you whisked up. That'll help the bread bind. And then once you drop it into the seasoned breadcrumbs, make sure you squeeze it in there. Like, literally get that chicken nugget in your fist with lots of like breadcrumbs around it and squeeze as hard as you can. We want to compress that breading onto the actual nugget of chicken. Once you've done that, put it on your favorite pizza dish or pizza tray, or even a sheet of paper that goes in the oven, you know, that high temperature paper. And you'll get a beautiful, beautiful nugget out of it. These are far superior to anything you're going to get in the shops, like way superior. And you know what's gone into them. No conservatives, nothing like that. Well, conservatives, preservatives. Jesus, who'd want conservatives in their nuggets? Anyway, the rest of the video is just like us eating these delicious nuggets, and I have to say we absolutely wolfed them down. They're 10 times better than premium nuggets in the supermarket. The seasoning was out of this world, and you can see it's actually real chicken. I used garlic mayonnaise. I don't think it was a great garlic mayonnaise, so you can probably make a better one yourself, or maybe your store has a better one. Then we used like a spicy chili, top right, barbecue. I'll leave it to the girls to tell you how things went. Take care, bye.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna steal this one. What's that?
That's garlic mayo. That's a hot chili. That's a barbecue, and that's Frank's.
Hot chili it is.
Okay, that's really good. And this is even better.
Talk lots. Make sure you talk lots, yeah.
I made a mistake. I should have tried them before the sauce.
I did, so I get to eat
Silly
sauce
me.
now.
Ain't no sweat, you know. This is the garlic.
Dada, why did you make these so good?
Freshly made nuggets, huh?
I wouldn't have made the bloody pizza if I'd known.
Yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
Oh, that's way too spicy. I'll probably show.
No, this is the Frank's, and it's really hot.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's 2 chicken breasts. There's enough nuggets there for 3 people.
Yes, there is.
Not big, heavy people, but slim people.
I'm slim. Look at my fingers.
Some of them are a little bit thin, but they're okay, okay? It's not terrible. Let's try this barbecue sauce. You can really taste the seasoning in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I would prefer them without herbs in it.
No, you would not. You would not. I could attest to that.
I'm not concerned it's that be a little bit dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that is good because you didn't put any oil, which is fabulous.
Yeah, I didn't want to put.
Yeah.
Didn't want to soak them in butter. You know.
It's really good, guys. I really suggest the recipe, whatever you use.
I like this. This is not dry.
Should I turn the oven off?
The first one I took was a little bit thin and maybe a little bit dry.
Thin overcooked usually. Yeah. There wasn't a lot of work in this. Cutting up some chicken breasts.
Okay, I'm
yummy. Now your bracelet went into the sauce.
I tasted that. I like it.
These are not being reserved. They're going to be eaten now. What's the water? You'd like your light to go?
No, thank you.
Oh, you have one. Your mum was saying that the Pal, the frozen that you get in the supermarket, has all their high quality. They're a bit pricey for what you get. So, okay.
It could be pre-treated chicken. I just think that it's better if you make them at home. Oops. So this is, sorry, this is
Get them in the pan. Yeah.
my favorite.
That's the chipotle. Yeah.
Why is anything with garlic?
By the way, a million calories in that garlic. I don't think it's as good as the garlic mayonnaise can get. I don't think it is. But for something that is in budget and can sit the shelf,
And
it's
also
not bad.
the fact that the nuggets have a lot of seasoning to them.
The nuggets do have good seasoning, don't they? But,
Thank you.
They are doing EDA and I don't like it.
oh, Mr. Potter Plenty and Mrs. Potter Plenty. Are you finished now? Is that it? You're not going to have any more? Come on, they're high protein. Just one more. Sorry? You took them. I should use a fork, shouldn't
I thought you dropped it, but you kept going.
Maybe just another one.
Savage.
Baby's going.
It's definitely rising. It was not that bad when I got home.
Mm.
It's warmer in here now.
The sourdough starter. It's finally gone. It's a sourdough starter. I got it. Yeah. It has taken 3 or 4 attempts to get this thing to go. Anyway, look, I'm very happy with that recipe. I'm gonna edit this video and put it up. I think we do this again.
Yeah.
There's more work than buying frozen chicken nuggets, but I do think the seasoning is better. You know?
It has seasoning.
Yeah, the Bell stuff just doesn't. It's very plain actually. It doesn't have seasoning. No. You want to eat the rest of that, Mark? Yeah, I'll leave it for you. Yeah.
You have two? I have one.
I'll just- That's a nice pizza.
Yeah, I think it's lovely.
Gorgeous looking pizza. She made a beautiful looking pizza.
No,
Yeah,
it's very tasty as well.
yeah, it is. Look, it's not a mature mozzarella. It's a buffalo.
No, it's more mozzarella, but it's fresh. It wasn't buffalo, no.
All right, last 2 are yours, okay?
You know what I said?
What?
It wasn't buffalo.
No?
I don't like buffalo. It was just fresh mozzarella.
Is that not buffalo? No.
Buffalo is like liquidy on the inside, right? No? Buffalo tastes like... Well, buffalo mozzarella is like a bit liquidy and stringy on the inside, right?
Isn't that burrata?
Burrata, but burrata is almost liquid inside.
Yeah.
That's very expensive.
I've had it a few times. So you guys have had it a few times. You did enjoy it.
I used to like it, and then I got it again recently, and I didn't like it, so I don't know.
I just don't think it's worth the premium. I can understand there's work that goes into it, but it's not into it. Wow, man, that was a banger, and we all had a little bit. I think that's great.
That was my dinner and lunch, Jesus.
Guys, wait till I do the Popeyes black garlic chicken sandwich. You're gonna absolutely love it. Anyway, listen, this thing's running for a long time. Say bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
See you now. Signing out.